Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Salsabila, A2 Guidance and Counseling. Here I will present my material, which is about fried chicken. Today, I will tell you about fried chicken. What's come to your mind first time when you hear the fried chicken? KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Okay, I will give you a little explanation about fried chicken. What is fried chicken? And this is meaning of fried chicken. Fried chicken is dish made from chicken meat mixed with seasoning flour fried in the hot cooking oil. Now we know what fried chicken is, but we don't know the history of fried chicken. And is this history of fried chicken? Fried chicken is food born from migration that occurred the regions. With Landswinners and Scott brought the time brought south from Western Africa. Both Scotland and Western Africa a habit from frying chicken. The north, the sad living condition and the rigid social strata may hinders the causal function of the two regions in the cultural realm. There are explanations. This is what gives birth to fried chicken in the southern region of US. The native of Scotland brought the south from Western Africa. There, they have the same habit of frying chicken. Until born fried chicken in the south of US. The next is nutrition in the fried chicken. The nutrition in the fried chicken is 2,245 calories. Nutrition in the fried chicken for 1,000 grams. Calorie is 240 calories, 12 gram fat, 15 milligrams cholesterol, 77 milligrams sodium, 2,039 milligrams potassium, 1.8 gram carbohydrate, 30 gram protein, vitamin A 65 IU, calcium 60 milligrams, vitamin D 5 IU, vitamin B 12 0.3 microgram, vitamin C 0 milligram, and around 1.2 milligram vitamin B6 0.5 milligrams, magnesium 27 milligrams. And in the next is benefit of fried chicken. Benefit of fried chicken. The first, reverse anemia. Chicken meat contains iron which is high enough to prevent anemia. Boosts immune system. Various minerals in the chicken help us boost immunity. Overcoming stress. Vitamin B or pantothenic acid in the chicken has calming effect on nerves. Improve immunity system. Many vitamins and minerals in the chicken that help boost the immunity system. reducing the rise the arteries. The selenium in the chicken half refers to the development of arteries, meaning stitch. Phosphorus can help maintain healthy teeth and bones. Prevents cancer. Oh, sorry. Integration metabolism and the last prevents cancer. In the niacin in the chicken, can help eradicate cancer and prevent damage to DNA cells. And the next is the science of fried chicken. The science of fried chicken, chemical head case. Chemical reagents and drugs give the chicken fat can cause the head case, cause cancer, carcinogens and carcinogens that are to the chemicals and can use substance that treat cancer. This digestive infection. Carcinogens, the active chemical can eating chicken that does not prefer clean and can't difficult resistance to antibiotics. The systemic hormone give the chicken enter the body cause reproductive problem. Reproductive problem and cholesterol. Chicken meat that contain high cholesterol can cause the heart attacks. And the next is the simple recipe of KFC fried chicken. Equipment is pan, stove, spoon, pellet, bowl, knife, and spatula. And this is ingredient. You can have you must have half kilogram chicken, marinade seasoning, or you can use the Sajiko ayam goreng, mashed garlic or garlic powder, pepper powder you can use ladaku, and chili powder is bon cabe, salt. Seasoning flour is Sajiko tepung bumbu, flavoring Ajinomoto, chicken broth, Royco, and fruit butter, and the last is oil. Then this is how to make. Cut the chicken. Cut the chicken according to the desired size. The next is boil the chicken. Boil the chicken until the bones come out the fat and smell bad. The boil with marinade seasoning. Boil the chicken until it's boiled and come out for fat smell bad. After the chicken is boiled, to remove the fat, boil it again and with the marinade seasoning. Mixing the seasoning flour. Mix the garlic powder, salt, pepper powder, chili powder, flavoring, and chicken stock in the bowl that is given cold water and add the seasoning flour. Make it to mixture mixture of wet flour and dry flour. To seasoning flour mixture. Put the chicken in the dry flour and then add to the white flour. Repeat it twice. Fry the chicken over medium heat. Frying the chicken over medium heat until the chicken turns golden brown. Once cooked, serve the chicken with sauce is complete. Mm, the it is this the recipe you can make in your home. So maybe you can do it. The simple recipe is a good. Uh, in the last, in this is a little explanation about fried chicken and the KFC fried chicken recipe. I complete. Thanks for your attention. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.